Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to schedule an email in Gmail. First we need to open Gmail, so just click on the search bar, then write Gmail, open it up, then click on Compose. Here, first you need to choose the person that you want to send it to. I'm gonna go with our channel, subject, something, yeah, blah blah blah. Then click on those three dots, schedule send. You can then click on pick date and time. Let's say 21st of May, and then choose the time that you want to send it. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.